My first Rubik's Cube competition, 2x2. So recently I went to my first Rubik's Cube competition and it went pretty good. If you don't know what a Rubik's Cube competition is or didn't know it even existed, basically you are given 5 different scrambles and the best and worst solves are excluded from an average. This average will give you a position. This average that I got here gave me a position of 117, and that was out of 178 people. Now, to be honest, that's pretty good for a first competition, and it is pretty good. Speaking about good solves, here is one that really surprised me, and it'll definitely surprise you. Because I got a last layer skip.
Okay.
So this gave me an average of 11.04. Also at the competition there was 3x3. If you want to see that, go check out my channel. Also at the comp, there were a bunch of cubes thanks to speedcubing.org, and I bought a bunch of cubes. But that's a story for another video. See you then. Bye.